it's Ashley, the Thrifty Chica here on YouTube. I'm so excited to share this next one with you. I found these door hangers at Dollar Tree and I thought they would be perfect to customize for your home decor. You can change it up for each season. You can kind of customize it if you love beach decor, if you love modern decor, pretty much anything. So I thought they were really versatile. And before we get started with the DIY, I wanted to share a giveaway that I have going on in my forum. Currently I'm partnered with Cricut and I'm so excited to share this one with you guys. We're giving away a Cricut Explore Air2 machine in the forum. So all you have to do is be a member of the group. Go ahead and join in the link in the description box. And you just have to leave a comment on a post. It's really that easy. So it's basically changed my DIYs and the kinds of projects that I can do, and it's made crafting so much easier. So I'm very excited to share it with you guys. And let's go ahead and get started with the DIY. Here are the supplies you'll need. 2 door hangers from Dollar Tree, a Dollar Tree brush and ivory chalk paint. I found this one at Walmart. 2 rolls of Dollar Tree burlap ribbon and a roll of yellow ribbon. Also, 2 fall floral picks. I chose ones with sunflowers. You'll also need about half a sheet of brown vinyl. If you don't have a Cricut machine, Dollar Tree also carries some stencils and wall stickers that may work as a substitute. The first step is to remove the stickers from the backs of the door hangers. Next, begin painting the first coat of paint onto the door hangers. I chose chalk paint because it adheres well to a variety of surfaces. Once the first coat dries, add a second layer of chalk paint to the door hangers. Make sure to cover the edges well because they will be visible when it's displayed. Click the link to the project in the description box. This will take you straight to my Design Space project. I have already pre-sized the project to fit Dollar Tree door hangers, so click on Make It to begin. Load your mat with vinyl and make sure that you have the correct blade in the machine. Now we just watch the Cricut Maker do the work. Once it's finished, place the mat face down and slowly peel the mat away from the project. Cut around the words so that we can get ready to weed the excess vinyl. One of my favorite tips for working with vinyl is to keep a lint roller nearby. This makes it easy to keep tiny vinyl scraps in one place. Take transfer tape and cut it to fit the size of each group of words. Peel the backing away and place the tape on the vinyl, pressing firmly to adhere. Center the words on your door hanger. Firmly press the vinyl onto your project. Once you've finished, carefully remove the transfer tape. If you are unsure where the center of your project is, use your Cricut cutting mat as a handy guide. Now we begin decorating. Grab your decorating supplies and warm up your hot glue gun. Unroll the burlap ribbon. Hot glue the yellow ribbon in the center of the burlap to create an accent. Take the door hanger and place it face down on the table. We're going to glue the ribbon in place to create a hanger for the tag. For this tutorial, we are tying the door tags to the door hanger. Decide approximately how long you want the door tags to hang down from your door hanger. I left a couple inches extra to compensate for tying them. Then, finish gluing the ribbon. We're going to take apart the floral pick to rearrange it on the door tag as decor. Cut the plastic on the stems and bend it back and forth to make the wire break. Hot glue the leaves and sunflower in place. Make sure to take a look at both door tags together to make sure that they are complementary to one another. Take the remaining yellow ribbon and hot glue it to the burlap. This will form our bow. Cut the burlap ribbon into 2 lengths. One of the lengths should be slightly shorter than the other. Hot glue them to form them into separate loops. Take another small section of burlap ribbon to form the center of the bow. Cut down the sides of the burlap slightly. We're going to layer the loops on top of each other and then add a tie and then a small ribbon to secure it. Twist the tie around the center tightly and then hot glue the center ribbon in place. Take the remaining ribbon and cut it in half. This will become the tails of our bow. Now, hot glue the bow tails in place. Make sure to cut the ends of the tails at an angle. Now all that's left is to hang it in place. I tied the ribbon ends together and draped them over the door hanger. Then I attached the bow with a tie to keep it in place. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't yet, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future giveaways, future DIYs, all sorts of, fun inspiration involving Dollar Tree items. And make sure to check out the link in the description box so that you can enter to win as well. And hopefully this DIY inspired you to create and have some fun. I'll see you guys later.